Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Morphe 35D Desert Bouquet palette. I did want to do something a little bit more just smoky, a little bit of a cut crease. I didn't feel like doing a full cut crease today. So this is what I came up with. I think it looks super pretty. So I also went ahead and used this Shine Loud Lip Shine from NYX Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Goal Getter. And yeah, I love these. I have a couple different colors. I think they're so pretty. This is the first time I've used this shade and I really like it. The only thing you need to do is just be careful because sometimes the clear gloss will like run down under your lip, so you gotta keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. guys, so that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Again, I did use this palette. It is so pretty. I'm really excited to like jump into the greens next time. I said that last time I filmed with it, but I really do want to use the greens at some point. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.